up, wonderful YouTubers across the nation? It's your boy Deacon, back with yet another back with yet another YouTube prank video. So in this video, I have my daughter with me, the one that I pranked last time. If y'all saw the ice water challenge, I didn't do it on my son, but I'm gonna do one on my son right now. So in this prank, we all gonna make hot chocolate, but I got what are those little dog treats? I got little dog treats, and I'm gonna basically say that they're like no. I'm gonna put it in his salsa. We're gonna have chips and salsa for a snack, and then hot chocolate. We're gonna put that in his salsa. So hold on a second. We'll be right back. So I got the lime and garlic salsa right here, and the dog food, which I'm gonna mix at like 2 of them. Should I do 2 of them? I'm gonna mix 2 of them in his salsa. So I'll be right back. All right. So I'm gonna put the salsa in. Come on, this salsa is annoying as heck, bruh. Alright. Give me a spoon, please. I got the dog. Alright, now we're going to take the dog food and we're going to put it in there. We're going to mix it. Who is that, Thomas? That actually... Alright, don't worry about it. That right there actually looks like a hot pepper. So we're going to put another one in there. So the first side he's going to eat is this side right here. So there it is. One right there. And the other right there. Actually, they look like something. Alright. Sugar cookies. Alright, I'm gonna make the rest of the salsa for me and her. She's in on a prank since he pranked her. I'm gonna make the salsa and I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna make the hot chocolate and I'll be right back. Why pass it to your sister, bruh? Where's my salsa at? Yes.
I like the salsa.
Yum. This is Gucci.
What is that?
What?
What is that? What's the chunk?
It was a doggy food. You chewed a lot. That's what you get for pranking your sister with me. She got you back, boy. Was it good?
I didn't really taste it. I just felt the chunk.
Was it nasty?
I was like, what is that?
Oh shit, my bad. Got him on a prank, back, because he got his sister with me.
Alright, now that looks disgusting.
You can eat the other side though.
No, I'm too afraid to now.
I'll share it with you.
It touched.
I'll share it with you. That's enough for this video. If you liked it, go ahead and box that like button, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be back with more. He ain't my kid anyway. Peace!